You don't have to keep learning Arabic for 2 years just to be able to speak it. After this video, you will be able to speak, read, and write in Arabic. Yes. Hello everyone, I'm Shadi, your Arabic teacher, and you're watching arabiiEz. Arabic easier than ever. Before we start, I just want to say that English is not my first language, so I apologize for any mistakes. Okay, the Arabic language contains 28 letters. In this video, you will learn how to use these letters to speak, read, and write Arabic easily. So before we start, go get a pen and paper. You are writing Arabic today. I'll say the letter and then you will see the mic icon, so you can repeat after me. So we will start with Alif. Alif. A. Alif. Alif has a simple sound like A in apple. Looks like this in the beginning of the word. Asad. Asad. In the middle, it's look like this. Kitab. Kitab. Great. Okay, some letters connect to the next ones and some don't, but don't worry about that now. Just repeat. Kitab. Great. At the end, it also looks like Sama. Sama. Great. Now we have a small exercise. I will say 3 words and you choose which word has letter Alif. Are you ready? Kitab. ثعلب. عسل. Yes, the word is kitab. Another 3 words. Asad. عظيم. جديد. Great, the word is Asad. Now take your pen and practice writing Alif in beginning, middle, and end. Pause the video and try. Now we can move to Ba. 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 Great. Ba sounds like the letter B, like the B in book. In the beginning of the word, it looks like this. Bab. Bab. In the middle of the word, it looks like this. Habl. Habl. And at the end of the word, it looks like this. Now take your pen and practice writing Pa in the beginning, middle, and end. Pause your video and practice. So, time for exercise. I will say 3 words and you will choose the word has letter Ba. Are you ready? Let's go. Asad. عنب. سماء. Yes, the word is عنب. Another 3 words. صورة. طعام. كلب. Yes, the word is كلب. So far so good. Let's continue with the next letter. Ta. Ta. Alright. That sounds like letter T, like the T in top. It looks like letter Ba but have 2 dots. And in the beginning, like this. Tamr. Tamr. And in the middle, it looks like this. Like metr. Metr. At the end, it looks like this. Bayt. Bayt. Now take your pen and practice writing ta in the beginning, middle, and end. Now the exercise, I will say 3 words and you will choose which word has letter ta. Are you ready? Let's go. Bab, Taj, Habl. Yes, the correct is Taj. Another 3 words. Tamr, Kalb, Tha'lab. Very good. The word is Tamr. Small revision. Listen and repeat. Alif, Alif, A, A. Ba, Ba, B, B. Ta, Ta, Te, Te. Great, now you can read and write Alif, Ba, and Ta, and you will use them in words. You will see how at the end. Now letter Tha, Tha, Tha. That sounds like TH in think, think. And in the beginning, it looks like this. Tha'ban, Tha'ban. And in middle, it looks like this. Muthallath, Muthallath. At the end, it looks like this. Thulth, Thulth. Very good. Do you see something? Yes, it looks like the 2 letters before, Ba and Ta, but with 3 dots. Now take your pen and practice writing Tha in the beginning, middle, and end. Now the exercise. Choose which word has the letter Tha. Tha'ban, Asad, Anab. Bravo. Tha'ban. 3 another words. طعام, Kitab, Muthallath. Yes, Muthallath. Now we can take letter Jim, 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 J. Jim sounds like the letter J, like the J in job. In the beginning, it looks like this. Jamal, Jamal. Yes, great. In the middle, it looks like this. Hajar, Hajar. At the end, it looks like this. Muharrij, Muharrij. Now practice writing Jim in the beginning, middle, and at the end. And now, which word has Jim? Jabal, Kalb, Tha'lab. Yes, Jabal. Another 3 words. Hajar, Kitab, Hut. Yes, Hajar. Wow, you are basically an Arabic pro now. Now, letter Ha, Ha, Ha. Okay, there is no letter like this in English, but I will make you say it right. From the first time, just work with me for a minute. Grab a drink, hot or cold, doesn't matter. Tea, coffee, juice, anything. Now, copy me exactly. Done. That was funny, but trust me, this is exactly the sound of ha. And about these kinds of sounds, the ones that don't exist in English, don't worry, you will get them. Okay, now say ha. Ha. Perfect. And yes, the most famous Arabic word, habibi. Habibi. In the beginning, it looks like this. Habibi. Habibi. You are Habibi. In the middle, يحمل. يحمل. At the end, مفتاح. مفتاح. Now, try it. Now, which word has ha? سما, حوت, تاج. Another 3 words. كنز, يحب, صندوق. Exactly. يحب. Now, last letter for today. خا. خا. It comes from here. خا. خا. Kha is a strong sound that comes from the throat, from here, exactly here. Kha. Kha. So if you speak German or Polish, this letter will be easy for you, like say ha in German. In the beginning, خبز. خبز. In the middle, مخدة. مخدة. At the end, مخ. مخ. Great. Choose which word has letter خاء. كتاب. مخدة. باب. Another 3 words. حجر. مخ. عسل. Awesome. مخ. Now listen up. I'm gonna say all today's letters. You copy me. Pay attention. This one's super important. ألف. أ. أ. باء. ب. ب. تاء. ت. ت. ثاء. ث. ث. جيم. ج. ج. حاء. ح. ح. خاء. خ. خ. You are really getting the hang of it. Proud of you. I'll say a few letters you write on your paper. For example, if I say ألف باء, ألف باء, like this. ألف باء. Write them like this in your paper and focus. The letters go from right to left. Ready? باء. حاء. ثاء. The answer is good job. ألف باء. Great. The answer is now your homework. ألف خاء تاء ثاء باء Ha. Jim. Okay, write these letters in the comment. And don't forget, right to left. You got this. And I'll check them for you. And in the next part, we'll do the homework together. Now we are able to speak, write, and read with the letters we just learned. So I just want to say I'm really proud of you for making it this far. This shows that you are serious and you really want to reach your goal. And I'm telling you, you will reach it. I believe in you. And now it's time to say thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a like. If you know someone who's learning Arabic, send them this video. And sure, subscribe for more Arabic videos. And let me know in the comments how I can make this content even better. It really helps me a lot. Follow me in all platforms named arabiiEz. I post videos there too. So see you soon, habibi.